It's in our nature to worry. Homeowners have enough to be anxious about. Stay tuned to hear the truth about 3 worries homeowners have. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales and Development at AccuLevel. Once you close on your new home, immediately you want to do what's best for your investment. Over time, there are 3 concerns many homeowners think about. So in this video, I'll explain 3 worries homeowners have. Will my home fall down? Will my floor cave in? And do I have toxic mold? But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. This is a very common question we get at AccuLevel whenever we're dealing with failing foundations. The reality of the situation is a home's foundation typically settles over time. It's not something that happens really dramatically or all at once. There's warning signs ahead of time. Now, can it get to a critical part to where it does completely fail? Yes, but you will have plenty of warning signs such as cracks and doors and windows not closing properly before you get to that point. Very similar to what we talked about with foundations falling down. Wood has bend to it. It doesn't just break and release at any loss of support. So you're going to gradually see signs. You're going to see sloping floors, cracks in drywalls, again, doors not shutting properly. You really want to pay attention to these signs because it can get to a point the wood starts to rot and can completely disintegrate, allowing that floor to collapse. But again, there are many signs before you get to that point. The reality of the situation when you're talking about mold or biological growth in a crawl space or a basement is it's usually not a super dangerous mold. It's typically a mold that just flares up to bother allergies or be a disruption to your everyday. But where the toxic molds are created is when you have standing water for long periods of time. So again, pay attention to the warning signs and get in front of it before it can cause more damage and more harm to your home. And even if you have any of these signs, these are things that can be fixed. And so making sure that you have a professional come in and look at it, they will put you at ease and give you a solution to these problems. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about signs you're seeing with your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.